So here is my first papaya tree that came up in my compost that I planted. And Gary's trying to get in there. This is almost 3 years old. Let's see if we can get in here and watch him. Look at that. He's carefully, because he knows he doesn't want to damage my tree. Oh my goodness. This is the first papaya off this tree. And this is a Mexican papaya tree, right?
Correct.
Look at that. Decent sized little fruit. Of course, when you buy them at the store, they're huge, but look at that. So nice and yellow.
Some of the other ones are a lot bigger. This is the first fruit, so.
So it's the first fruit. This one's small, but wow, I know. Look at the, let me see if I can swing here. Look at the size of those things. I find it unbelievable that a tree can hold that much weight. Oh, let me see. Look at that. That a tree can hold so much weight on it. Those are massive. Some of them look like they're 8-10 inch. Oh, let me see. Let's see if I can get in there and show that. Look at that. I know the first one's small, but the other ones are going to be big. Kind of a mixed variety. Okay, and let me see. There's still more flowers. Let's see if we can get up there. And it's still flowering. And we're in January, and it's still flowering. Look at that. Look at that. See all the flowers? From a seed that came up in my compost and then moved it in here. It's growing in a pot, but it has long left that pot. Look at the size of the trunk on that. So it's now in the ground, but as I've shown in my other videos, I compost right next to these trees in place, so it's constantly being fed by kitchen scraps. Just dump them in there, leaves and different things, and water the compost tubs. I grow in them too in the spring. And it feeds that tree, and it's massive. Then we've got the other one that's also got 2 fruit that we'll be picking soon. And what do you know what kind of papaya this is?
I believe this might be a small solo type.
So we'll have 2 that, can we pick them when they're still green?
Yes. If you pick them when they're green, you just gently score the papaya around, and the latex will filter out, and that will ripen it.
Wow. Well, we can pick those, I guess, another time, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now, are we going in, or are you going to cut it and try it right here?
I could cut it and try it here.
Okay. Look how soft it is. Ooh.
It's got a lot of seeds in it.
It does. Nice seeds. So it is a ripe fruit. Black seeds in there. Oh, you're dropping the skin.
Yeah,
I compost all that.
I will compost it.
I know. Everything goes back. Oh, I get a piece?
Yes. Yeah, that's good.
That is good. It's exactly like store-bought.
Yeah, exactly like store-bought. Well, good store-bought.
Yes.
There's none of that. It's been picked when it was ripe, and you can cut it with a butter knife.
That's a butter knife. That's right. You're using a butter knife. Boy, that is good.
And any excess seeds, I'll just drop in here, right?
Yes, seeds can drop. Oh, that's right. If it grows in there, I'll just leave it all. You know, if it ever got big and the tub was there, I would just cut the bottom of the tub and let it keep growing. Just leave the tub as a framework for the water to be held. Look at that. Okay, well, I think I'm going to go make some pancakes and throw some papaya on top. So that's the update on our trees. I think you've seen the 3. If you've seen any of the other videos, you've seen these trees as they grow, and there's the other one. That's the one that did not produce any fruit down here until I started composting in place. Once I put my tubs here and started composting right here, now it's full of fruit. But before that, it would not produce any fruit. It grew, but it didn't produce any fruit. These have been constantly being fed by the compost tub there. That was the second tub. I had this one here first. So that's why they grew so big. So with that, we're going to go in and eat papaya. Just wanted to do an update on our papayas and how they're doing. So if you like, us, like and subscribe, I guess. I never ask people to you do what you want. That's the way I usually feel. But like and subscribe if you want to follow us on our wood chip garden. Look at the wood chips down there. And we'll do more garden ventures as we continue.
Yeah, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. And you can always go to our channel, Robbie and Gary, and you'll find over 100 videos there now. And I'm sure there's something else that you might be interested in.
So with that, I'm going to say, don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye.